Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you this dish called sweet spicy fried tofu. It's looking like this. I'm going to give you a close-up look. Hi, this is a close-up look of the sweet spicy fried tofu, and you can look like this triangle tofu, a little bit fried and then stir fry with this everything with green pepper and a little bit bamboo shoots and dried mushroom called shiitake. Like yeah, it's like this. It's a piece of shiitake. Actually, probably in Chinese we call it winter mushroom. I don't know why it's called winter mushroom, but it's dry mushroom for me. Shiitake, if you like the word. Okay, that's pretty much it. Like this triangle tofu and a little bit sauce, not much, but a little bit, little bit like this plate like this, a little bit chili paste. It's a little bit spicy, but I don't expect it's very spicy, just mild, very mild spiciness. Okay, let's begin. So this is the sweet spicy fried tofu and the boiled rice and cup of water. Okay, now I have nice logo, cup of porcelain mugs, coffee mugs. And today, actually, it's May 21st, April 21st, and then it's snowing in Montreal. That's kind of late April Montreal weather, snowing. It's beautiful, huh? It's Montreal. That's typical Montreal. And you had a lot of great weather, warm days, and then suddenly give you a snow day. Anyway, let me try this. This one is supposed to be very yummy. Wow, there's some juice inside this triangle tofu, fried tofu. Yeah, as I said, it's not spicy, not that much, a little bit spicy, not that much. And this shiitake, it's a very special dry mushroom, supposed to be very, very healthy. It's very chewy, really nice. But this one is very expensive one. The shiitake, very expensive ingredient, and it's dry, and you have to soak it in the water for like maybe 2 hours or half day, few hours, and then it's kind of expand a little bit. When you buy them, they are super dry. They are dehydrated, super dry. That's why I call it dry mushroom or winter mushroom. But anyway, it's like very dry. But then you are soaked in water for a long time, so come back to the original form, I guess. This is really good stuff, the shiitake. And then this one, the tofu is, you see, fried, so it's kind of, you see the chewy and a little bit crispy, little bit, and then soaked in sauce. And inside there's a little bit tender stuffing tofu inside. And the sauce itself a little bit sour and sour sweet. A pretty good balance. I'm gonna speed up and let you know when I finish it. You see, I finished both the rice, very clean, and then let's finish this plate. There's a little bit sauce left, and maybe a little bit garlic here, there. So overall, it's a great dish. It's a little bit sour, the taste, and then a little bit spicy. It's really kind of mild spicy, so good for a lot of people. Good for and also you have those kind of shiitake and green pepper and bamboo shoots, and they are kind of good for the health. So this is a very healthy plate, except the tofu is a little bit fried, deep fried. And it's really it's a kind of I really like eating this if I feel like eat healthy. So the sauce little bit sauce everywhere, so it's good for eating with the rice, steamed rice as well. To be honest, this one probably two bowls of rice would be great. The like proportion, like you have two bowls of rice, one plate like this, it would be perfectly fine because you can eat a lot of rice with the sauce. And I'm a big fan of steamed rice, so that's what I would eat. Two bowls of rice, one plate of sweet spicy fried tofu, and the tofu is like triangle shapes, and it's really good and really nice dish, and that's really good stuff on our menu for the tofu. People eating tofu, and this is a good one. And we have two or three other tofu dishes, and I'm gonna explain them as well. Yeah, overall, it's really, I'm really happy today eating this one, and it's a nice one, really nice. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please share if you want to, if you like the video. Thank you very much.